Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change password in TokenPocket app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to change password in TokenPocket, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself, and once the app gets opened up, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now simply tap on the BTC1 option and you will be redirected to this page where you can find the modify password option. If you click it, you will have this page, and now to type in the current password, your new password, and repeat the new password again for verification and hit the confirm button. After you hit the confirm button, your password will be changed in TokenPocket. However, if you forgot your password and you want to reset it, simply tap on reset password, follow the given prompts to do so. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.